because I'm sure your management will have a number of questions. So I just wanted to understand, which you gave me the information, what the problem, the challenges that you are facing, and accordingly, I will, accordingly, I will have a demo with your management to show them, because I'm sure when they will see the demo, the recording even, they will have a number of questions. So it's better to, answer them during the live call rather than showing
Of
just
course.
the recording. Okay. But anyway, I'm recording this session now.
This recording, I will show this recording for one reason, in order to give them brief what they will have.
Exactly.
If they
Yeah.
like, I will request same from other companies as well. If
Yeah.
they like your system, we'll have them with you. If they don't like your system, we will not put you on the short list. This is the reason.
Perfect. That's no problem. I
Okay.
understand. The recording has already started, Muhammad. No
Okay. Thank
problem.
you.
Yeah. So I was just trying to give you the overall overview of the entire system. So I would quickly give you this understanding while working on this dam, and you can prepare. I'm sure you might be preparing the manuals like mechanical manual, civil structure, landscape, and everything, internal manual, internal thing what you're doing. So our system also digitize that process as well. So you can prepare, for example, chilled water distribution system. This is a mall, and it's part of the mechanical system and or electrical system or hydraulic system or specialist system. So if, for example, if I go in the hydraulic system, I can see the portable water system is a manual, firefighting system is a manual. So when I go in the firefighting system, I can see all my manuals has been approved, submitted by the subcontractor, the people who are working on site, and they prepare this document and then they submit for the main contractor review. Contractually, they review the document, and then finally the client representative engineers review the document, and if they like it, everything is fine, they approve it. If they don't like it, they reject it. This
So
approval,
this is part of EDMS system. This
yes,
EDMS or inspection system.
is part of the entire whole system. The inspection system is this one, Muhammad, site work. You see, this is we call it
Ah,
site
okay.
work. Okay, so this is a part of, usually people go with the digital manual system. Site work is a very small part of a big project like yourself. So I mean, it's a
Mm.
very small part of the work that you do, but a lot of the work and construction happens, and they require the documentation to be tracked and prepared. So there's a workflow, digital workflow, and it can be customized as per the requirement. You can have more and more parties or less parties, is depending on your requirement. So when a subcontractor submit the document, it comes to you. You review the document. If you like it, you pass it on to the next party. If you don't like it, you reject it and goes back to the subcontractor to fix the problems and submit it again. So that's the part of the submission. And all this information is being tracked in the form of a dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and it tells me the status of my manual, how much percentage has been completed, how much is pending, how much is rejected, and everything. Okay. And now I'm going to go in the site work. Just before I start the site work, I will show you the site work has the functionality. It's a fully configurable based on the requirement of a client, where you can actually create a snag or an inspection request. So in this project, Muhammad and Tony, what is happening? A client is using our system, site work inspection system, to create the inspection request. And what happens? The inspection request automatically goes to the engineers and they invites them to come and have a look, do the inspection for that particular site. When they come, they do the inspection, and when the inspection completed, they mark it as a complete. And out of that inspection, if they find any problems like a snag or defect or anything, they create these snags accordingly. So do I make sense? Hello, Muhammad, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So do not worry. Just ask me if you have a question or something. So
Of course.
did I make myself clear the as a
Yes.
process? Yeah.
Okay.
So
But
I'm
can
now
you show me also the form, how it's digitized?
yeah.
The form, how it's working?
The phone, this is this is the mobile application. As if you're looking at it, this is the mobile application. It's a remall project. As you can see, this is the synchronized. The application works online as well as offline. So it doesn't matter if you have the internet or not. So as a responsible, as a person, I'm working on site. Okay, I found the issue. You can also create the issue with using our application. I found the issue, something is not right. As an employee, I come here, I will click on this plus sign. The moment I click on this plus sign, I can describe the boulders, say electrical uh, wire. Okay, let me fix it. Electrical wire hanging, which is a danger, which is hazard, and you're notifying, creating a kind of a problem or a snag. So and then you select the team which you wanted to select to. So you are selecting this team, okay, which is IGJV MEP team. Okay, and then you're saying this should be completed immediately within 24 hours. By tomorrow it should be done. And then after you come here, it is a issue type. These issue type, Muhammad, can be configured. You can have it as you wish, as you require. So it could be an inspection request, it could be a defect, it could be a hazard issue, it could be a health and safety issue, it could be a work order, or anything, whichever you want. Okay. So let's select this time a snag. This is a problem. It's a snag. The name may not be the same right now, but let's consider it as a snag. So, and I'm saying completion period. This has something to do with the health and safety of the people working there. So you want to make it urgent. It has to be completed within 24 hours or less. This again can be changed according to your requirement. Okay. Then now in this system, what I'm showing you right now is part of the what I call different names. So I'm going to select a trade package. You may also select it. It's part of the electrical services. So I say electrical services. Now I'm saying the location, where exactly it is located. I say it is located in, I'm selecting the site now. Okay, the site is remall. It could be a location like dam, for example, mall, and I'm saying level, whichever, like the basement 2 or service level. Let's say service level, and then I'm selecting the space. Now these space are already defined in there. When they use it, it will be a drop-down menu. So these are the space name, space code already created, provided by you and created in the system. So nobody will make an error like typing the wrong or incorrect space name, which is very important. And you can also have if you have every location and every space, created a scan QR code, and those QR code are there. You can just scan those QR code by clicking here, and then this information will be automatically filled. You know what I mean? This information will be automatically filled. Now, right now, I'm not using my handle. I'm showing you on the computer, so I cannot scan the QR code, but that's how it works. Okay. Then I select done. Now all my information completed. Now I'm actually telling them what is the problem. Electric wire is hanging from wall. Okay, and whatever I want to explain as is to show like it's an emergency, it is this, it is that, and I can do that. I can actually, add photos by clicking here. I can use a camera, and I can use a camera, or I can just say, for example, I'm gonna use my camera, if I have already taken, somebody has taken the library photo, and it's a problem, but they don't have the access to the system, or they are, they can take the picture, they can come back and they can use it. So if I take a camera and click on the camera, and my camera of my phone is on right now, and I'm gonna take a picture of, say, for example, my laptop, and I say click. Okay, so this is done, and I say okay. This camera has taken a picture. I attach the picture. I can take as many pictures as I want. There's no problem. I can take another one. Let's say camera again, and I'm gonna say another picture of my fan, because sometimes it's
Okay.
hot here.
How this will be reflect on the plan?
I will
You
show
are
you.
making issue, but you are not defining where is this issue. You are adding issue for snag.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
But
I'm
you
gonna show
didn't
you.
tell me, or you didn't show me how this will be reflected on the drawing. Okay. Because for myself now, I will not reach to snagging procedure before 2 3 years. In these 2 3 years, I'm making inspection. So you will show me the inspection procedure, the complete inspection procedure along with the workflow.
Yeah,
Second, for the snagging, here you cannot. I don't see the drawing. I don't see where I will put this issue for the wires. You put this okay. Urgent 24 hours. It's electrical service. It will go to the electrical department. Okay, but as a QC, where I will show this, I have to see where is the location. It's not mentioned here the location, grade lines or level or this location,
yeah,
remote. Okay, it's not mentioned me where is level, which grid lines, which room or which ID number.
yeah. See,
Okay,
this is what I like I said, this is right now reflecting, it's a live system of a
yes,
remote project, okay?
remote. Okay,
Now, this is showing at the moment, this is showing about the mall. Your location, you will provide me that data, and that data will show here. Right now, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. You may have more than 4 or 5 or 6 or 10.
exactly.
Yeah. So this will be configured based on your requirement. You understand me?
Okay,
So when I'm
okay,
doing this, when I'm creating an inspection request or when I'm creating a defect or snag on site, this is how I'm going to select.
okay. But at the end, the snag should be reflected on the drawing.
Yeah.
If
So,
you want me, please.
yeah,
1 minute, I'll answer this phone. One
yeah.
minute. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, let's
So,
continue.
so this screen, Muhammad, will show the information. Let me just finish. Okay, you understand this process. We are pretty much done now here on this step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this one. Okay, I'm not going to save it because this is the live system right now. So I'm gonna show you which is already created right now in the system. Okay, so if I save it, let's just save it. Okay, now this has been created. Okay, now I created this new one. Now let's see in there in the system. You see, these are the assigned one. Okay, I'm gonna see, let's close this one and it is assigned to the electrical team. That's why it's not showing. Anyway, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see the information, how many has been inspected. For example, I am going to select the issue type. You may have an inspection request for some area. Okay. When you do the inspection, this is the process. This is the inspection request. So this is a snag inspection request for some area of the remall, and this is remall mall level, mall facility level 1, and this is the location. This number L1 what you're looking at is will be shown. This is the number referring to the drawings L100508 stairs. It could be something else in your drawing. So when you give me that data, I will have to put in the system. Does it make sense?
Okay, then here to make setup for my project, how many weeks or months it will take?
If you have all the data, okay, I will, if you provide me the data in the next 24 to 48 hours, it will be ready.
So you are making full setup for the project in 48 hours?
Just for the site inspection system, for just for the site work. That's right. Yes. If
Okay,
you, the moment you give me the
explain to
data
me
today,
the site work, explain to me the site inspection workflow. Show me one site inspection workflow.
okay, let me show you this. So this is this is the inspection request. Okay, this is
Yes.
the inspection request. The inspection request starts with the type, and they are saying this request should be completed 24 hours. In
Okay.
your case, it can be completed in 15 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or maybe days. Okay, depends.
Okay.
It's a package civil work. It could be different. Okay, I don't know
Okay.
really about the dam, so I don't know the names here, but it could be anything, Muhammad.
Okay.
And then this guy has attached a drawing, a picture or drawing or something, and attached it here, and then it's assigned to the relevant party. Now the relevant party could be anything. So when I create a new one,
So he can attach the drawing. He can attach drawing from our server, from server.
Absolutely, absolutely. He can attach the drawing from the server, from the mobile, from the inbuilt asset document management system, which we have here, document management system. See, upload from the computer. This is I'm uploading from the computer, okay? And for example, let's say this image, I uploaded this image. This is from my desktop, from my laptop, okay? If I have existing drawings in the system, I can come here, I can say, these are the drawings. Let's see this one. This one I want to attach and attach. This drawing is attached automatically in the system. And I wanted to assign this inspection to, um, let's see, WebFM support team. Okay. And I want this to be completed right now, today itself. Okay. And I save it, and this doesn't meet the validation criteria. Now there is a validation, which is good. So it is saying you need to tell what is this issue about. I will say dam issue. Okay, what is this issue type? It's an inspection request. Okay, so this is, I'm selecting inspection request, and then it should be completed. I mean, it could be anything, Mr. Muhammad. It's 24 hours, less or more, depending on your requirements. And then I'm selecting the location as part of what? Mechanical services, electrical services. It could be anything. These trade packages could be anything. Site is like your dam location. Then structure is external areas, level, basement, space. These space you will provide me. These space coming from the drawings. They are not like manipulated spaces. They are coming from the drawings directly. This is how they are.
Okay. Check any space. Check any space. Okay. Then.
I select this space, and I mention some detail if I want to about this particular inspection that I'm inviting people to do the inspection. And I say,
Okay.
please do
Geological mapping. It's
this.
geological mapping. Okay.
Please do the geological mapping.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Then.
And I already attached the drawing, I already attached the picture, and everything is fine, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm sending this to me. Okay, you are the one raising this request, and you are sending it to me, WebFM support team, and then I will save it. Now what I'm gonna do on my mobile application, I will receive a notification that I will immediately receive a notification about this, and I will say, okay, a issue has been assigned to me, and I have to look for it. I have to just refresh it, or the system will refresh it automatically.
Okay.
And okay, and then I will come here. I will open it up. See, this has been come here. Damn issue. Can you read? Can you see
Where
it?
is the form? Where is the form?
The
Which
form?
form we will sign?
Yeah, you have not given me. They
Yes.
don't have a form in this project, Mr. Muhammad. They
Show
have.
me any show me any form, any live form workflow, the workflow of the form of inspection. Any inspection workflow, show me the complete workflow of inspection. This is what I want to know. What you are telling is good, but not what I'm searching for. I'm searching for digitizing all my forms in order to take signature immediately to avoid wasting this time consuming, which has explained to you. So what I want you to do now from your side, explain to me, take one example which you already did. show me the complete workflow from starting inspection till finish the inspection and put the inspection form on the server. This is what I
Okay.
want from
Okay. So
complete
this is
example,
this is
and
one of
we have only 7 minutes more.
okay. This
Okay,
is one of the form. Okay. I
okay,
will. Okay. This is a digital form, right?
okay,
And this can be this is one of the client, and it's part
okay,
of the maintenance report. Okay, backflow prevention and devices. So you can have all this information incorporated
okay,
in the system.
okay,
Like this, you can check all these. Okay. So these forms
okay,
can be created, and if you have some specific format, that can be created just the same way.
okay. Then after adding this information, the workflow for signature, for taking signature from my team and client team.
So here you go. So is owner agent. This is one person. Okay, tester. This is another person. Certification, and there's a multiple people can come in. Muhammad, you can have one person here, second person here. Let me see if there is another one which has multiple one. Um, let's see this one. Yeah, so this is another form, inspection report. And so, yeah, I mean, what I'm saying, this is this customer signature, customer name. You can have similarly many fields. It's not exactly
Okay.
what you wanted to have, but you can
The other
create
question
multiple fields.
is,
Yeah.
the other question is, in case I made this form and signed, okay, how can I know this is signed on the plan? So if I'm working in tunnel, this tunnel has a station. These stations requested 3, 4, 5 signatures before I go to second station. How can I know this on the map itself or on the drawing? Which station is done? It will be reflected on the drawing or not? I have to search it manually.
No, if you see this one, not assign in progress. So anything which is in the close status, this again can be like approved. You're requesting permission to go to the next level, correct? Is that correct?
Yes,
Yeah. So when you create a request for such thing, it will follow a workflow, a digital workflow process. And when everybody, it will be closed or it will be approved rather when everybody confirm the signatures.
very good.
Okay. When
Let
somebody
me
when
let me
when
give
somebody
you let
doesn't
me give you
confirm,
okay.
yeah, when somebody doesn't sign or approve, it will not be closed. And you have the
Okay.
complete history who has completed, closed by Binson Baby, and work completed, assigned to, in progress. So it will be like approved by this person, approved by
So
this person. Yeah,
it will not be graphical base. So it will not show to my plan.
it will not show. What do you mean graphical base? So in terms of the
It will not show
reports,
to my layout.
it will show
Layout.
like this.
I, like this as a dashboard. How
Yes.
many signed, how many, okay. So in case if I'm asking to cast one column and this column is requesting 3 inspections, one for steel repair, one for MEP, one for shutter before I cast. So there is no relation between these 3 inspections. Yes?
If you wanted to join all three inspection in one time, Muhammad,
Ah,
then you can do that. You want to do it inspection different for each one of them, like concrete, MEP, or any other thing, you can do that as well. It's up to you.
okay. Do you have any kind of tagging system for elements?
Yes. So remember I have shown
Can you
you
show it to me?
this. Yeah. So remember I shown you when I created one. So, okay, this project is not of this one. So let's see. Uh, See here, assets. These are the asset list. So if there are asset on site, okay, and if you're going to tag them, first of all, you have to have assets. to is available to be tagged. What we are doing right now, I will show
What do
you
you mean
again.
by assets? What do you mean by assets here?
Well, in this project, let me show you. Okay, so what we are doing with these people, where we are creating the asset code, QR code for them. Okay, so what is happening there? They have this QR code, and which is generated by our system. Okay, and if you already have the QR code there on site and you want to read with the mobile application, it can be done as well.
Right. Okay. See, I have another question.
Yeah,
Okay, show me this barcode.
this is the barcode.
Okay.
It's a sample barcode.
Okay.
Now, this
Right.
information you're looking here, this is the detailed information. It's a part of location. This is the location data. This is a chilled water distribution system, mechanical pump, heat exchange system, and this is the asset number. This is the unique ID, and this can be anything, whatever you want. It's just a demo. It's just a sample, actually.
Okay. Do you have a detailed brochure? Can you
Yeah.
send me your brochure as well?
Yes, of course I will.
Okay. Regarding to pricing.
Yeah.
Okay. Regarding to pricing, how much it will cost?
Well, like I was explaining the other day, that the cost of the system is very minimum. We provide unlimited data, unlimited licenses. So, and I need to really understand a little bit more, but it is, in my experience, it should not be more than 20 to 25,000 dollars,
Mm.
and that's unlimited licenses.
This $25,000 per what? Per year, per month, per
That's a one-time
project?
cost. No, no, no. That's a
Sorry.
one-time cost. That's it.
Okay.
And annually, you might be paying like $2,000, $3,000. That's it.
Okay. Type. Now you show me the site work. What about the dashboard or off-site work,
So this is
the
the
office
main,
work?
yeah, this is the main dashboard for your site work, Hamad, and that shows
Okay.
me how many inspections been done, how many in progress, how many has been completed, how many rejected, how many closed. And these numbers, these names you're looking at is configurable. So please don't be confused with these numbers.
Okay.
I'm repeating this again and again. So this can be
What
changed. This
about
is
NCRs? What about NCRs? What about snags? What about other issues? This for inspections. What about other quality issues?
So all follow the same procedure pretty much, and we have a detailed reporting here. And
Show me the
these are
details.
the site work reporting. So if I go here, say work status by location, they all follow the same procedure, and I can drill down further, and I'm going further down, and it's showing me all the locations, work status by location. And say, for example, I will go in the ground floor, and ground floor has these many location. All these location is explaining me. And if I wanted to distribute, I wanted to see how many work type are there, so I can see
Right.
site issues or schedule maintenance or whatever I wanted to do, so it will show me that
Okay.
information. Yeah.
Then regarding to EDMS system, can you
Can
give me
What is
EDMS?
EDMS system? Can you explain me?
You have EDMS system or not? Electronic Document Management System.
Yeah,
This for documents. I see here documents.
this is exactly
Okay.
the document management
So
system.
this will manage the document between me and my client or not?
Yes, it will. So what it
Very
does,
good.
it has a
Show me
workflow.
these workflows.
Yeah, it has a workflow, and the what it
Explain to me these workflows, please.
yeah, so that's what I'm explaining, Muhammad. So how does it work? You will have a common folder, shared folder, as well as a common folder. And I'm going to show you something which is very good, because every time in a construction project, people make a lot of changes. Okay, so the workflow is a functionality where you can start the workflow. They are not using this remall is not using our document management system, because they wanted to use
Show me
a
any workflow which they are using your system.
No, they're not using our document system. So, but I'm going to create a workflow. Okay, this is the workflow that I'm going to create, document for review.
So
And I'm
you don't have any company work with your EDMS system or document system. Yes.
yes, yes, we
Okay.
have, but it's in Australia. I don't look after the Australian market. So there is a different team. So I don't have the access, but I will show you.
We are related to Australia area, by the way.
Oh, really?
Australia is managing Australia and Asia.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's great. So Australia is managing what? I did not understand this actually.
Our area in Tajikistan
Yeah.
is related to Australia area. So Australia and Asia is have one director in we built
Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay, I did not know. So
because
this is
we have 7 projects in Australia as well.
7 projects.
Yes,
Okay. That's we are the
railway, 2 dams, 2 power plants.
oh, very nice. We are the Sydney Metro is pretty much all the project of Sydney Metro is create and used OmTrak, the system, the same system is almost 20 billion worth of project we have done for the Sydney Metro alone. Australia Defence is one of our largest clients. We just signed a multi-billion-dollar deal with them.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, so
okay,
I'm just creating a template for you. That I mean, I'm just trying to show you that how easy it is. Let's
I didn't
see.
see easy by the way, but okay, continue.
Well, this is just one time. Well, this this is a one-time job, which will be only show templates created by team. Let's see. I don't see any template here. Yeah, I cannot template name. Uh, yeah, there's no
Okay,
template, Muhammad, so I cannot show you right now. This is
prepare templates, send it to me with a small brief
yeah.
because now I have another meeting, I have to
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Send me the brochure, send me the templates for workflows with small explanation for this, and maybe you will have another one, another meeting because this document is very important for me as well.
Okay, that's no problem. I will do that. I will do that.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. And I will
Tony, do
send
you
you
have a
this.
question?
I
Tony,
will send this recording as well to you.
Tony, do you have any question before we close?
I think he's already leaving. He left
Okay,
already.
maybe
Yeah.
left. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
Muhammad. Thank you. Thank you so
Send me
much.
this record as well.
I will
Okay,
do that. Yes, surely.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Bye-bye.